The Mail Search and Archive feature can not only be accessed from Outlook, but also through your web browser. Sometimes you're out on the road, you may not have access to your computer that's running Outlook. You may be working remotely from someone's location, but you have access to a web browser and you need to search for an email. If you have your mail archive set up so that it's web accessible, you can type in the URL and then go ahead and log in. Here I see through the browser much of the functionality that I had in my Outlook client using the Mail Search and Retrieve. I actually can see the different folders that I have permission to search through. This one's mine. Then I have other folks that I can search through theirs. Some PST files I can access as well. I can type a quick search up here on the top. My favorite spot to go to is the advanced search. Now this actually remembers the last search I actually did in my Outlook. If I go ahead and hit search, you can actually see how fast this search capability is to the browser. I'm able to pull up here an email from 2009. It actually has some zip files that I need. I simply download them by clicking on the link. Or if I actually want to look at the message, I click the Open Microsoft Outlook MSG file. Now this would require that some form of Outlook would be on your computer. It may not be connected to your mailbox, but it does need Outlook to be able to launch. If you have Outlook Express, you can utilize the Open an Email capability. Most Windows computers have that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Open in Outlook. It downloads the actual message, so I can just go ahead and click on it. And there we go. Right from the browser, I can see the message. If I need to print the email, click on the print icon and I can go ahead and print that out. We're going to look here for a new document. I'm actually looking for an invoice. So I'm going to go ahead and click New Query, and that just clears my fields there. I'll come up here and I'm going to look for an invoice that is found on a packing slip. Go ahead and hit the search button, boom, from April 13th. And there is the document I want. Right there, the invoice number. You saw how quickly that document was pulled up. Just to give you a comparison, we're going to go to the Outlook web app where you can actually see if I wanted to search for that same document, I go ahead and type in the invoice number, hit the search, and there are no items to show in this view. It just goes to show sometimes you need to find an attachment, you need to find the documents you're looking for. The Outlook web app does not even come close to the kind of capability for searching for documents that the email search and archive capabilities that are found on the QuickBox app. Find the emails and documents you need using your QuickBox email search and archive.